check out how I made these images. You good?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, go ahead.
Take one. Hey man, welcome back to another Money Shot Monday with your boy Cash. I'm down in the DFW area. You know I frequent down here, and today I have Maya with me, a local model. Maya, you want to introduce yourself?
Hey y'all, I'm Maya Christine.
Hey, so we found each other on Instagram like I normally find all of my models. We kind of just linked up, talked about some ideas, and this is what she came up with. All by herself. Normally I kind of curate the looks and stuff, but I trusted all in her. She was like, hey, I'm making something, pretty much just trust me, and you find us a place to shoot. And so here we are. I've shot at this studio before, but never in this section. So I'm really excited to shoot here, and I think this outfit is gonna match perfectly. So stay tuned, let's get started. Okay guys, so the setup today is on to be a single light strobe on a strip box that I got up here to kind of minimize the light spillage because I want to not overpower these lights, but actually add to these lights that's already part of the set. We actually have a fan over here that we're gonna be using because number one, it's hot in here, and number two, I think it'll add for some more drama with the hair. So when I turn that fan on, you probably won't be able to hear me, but I will do a voiceover or something later on during the shoot because probably won't be audible at all. So I'm just kind of telling you the setup. For my gear today, I have my new Z6 III, and also it'll be the first time I'm doing video on my ZR. So I'm really excited to use all my new equipment. All right, so do me one where you kind of like zipping up the coat. So let's like zip it down a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of zip it back up. One, two, three. All right, guys, so we got our BTS for a video right now. Looks really good on my ZR. In camera, I am shooting in red log. That is one of the benefits of the new ZR is, you know, it's the conglomeration of red and Nikon now. So we're gonna go into photos. So I take a test shot. Well, at first I'm gonna turn this fan back on.
Yes, I'm sweating.
She like, friend, hit me with the fan now. Hit me with the fan. All right, guys, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me now in this portion of it. We got the fan on, we got to start our actual shots and our photography part. And then I probably go back with the video and the fan later to get some drama in her hair. So hopefully you're hearing this. I don't know, we'll see later. Okay, so we'll start out with like just some very bold poses and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna get my lighting right. So I do a couple test shots with you. I think it's almost right where it's at. And then I'll let you know when we actually going. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll let you know when we actually going. Can I touch your hair?
Yeah.
And you know what? Probably should put the fan. Huh?
I need help.
No. But because of how you have your hair parted, it probably should blow that way instead of blowing this way because it's gonna blow.
Yeah. So
let me move the fan this way a little bit more. Okay, guys. Also, what I didn't tell you is I have the new 24-70 S2 from Nikon. So this is my first time actually using this lens as well. So on the ZR, I'll be using my 35 1.4, and this is 24-70 2.8. You know, it's an internal zoom, so it actually doesn't move when you're zooming. So it's crazy technology built into this thing. So I'll probably be at about 250 of a second, F4, and about ISO 250. There we go. Because it's blowing the part away from you instead of in your face now. All right, so let's take a test shot real quick. Here's 1, 2, 3. Man, that is crazy. It's good. That's what. It is crazy good. That's what's wrong.
okay.
How we get?
Ooh, hold
Hold on now. Hold on. There you go. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, let's step back just a little bit to get more of that in there. Going cute, like that. Yep. So exaggerate that just a little bit more. Yeah, right there. Love, love, love. Take one baby step this way, right there. Cute. That's crazy. Woo! Do that one more time. Yep. Okay, Maya. Eat, girl. Eat.
If I didn't love you, baby, what would I do?
Ooh. Okay.
If I didn't love you,
Okay. Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3. All right. Yep. It's stuck. Yeah, like that. Cute.
to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, slide city.
Thank you guys for tuning in to another Money Shot Monday. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.